Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to turn your Webflow skills into real opportunities, today's video is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply to the Webflow Partner Program, setting yourself up to earn recognition and even income for your Webflow expertise. Whether you're looking to grow your freelance career or just want to connect with more potential clients, the Partner Program is a fantastic next step. Alright, let's dive right in. If you already consider yourself an expert in Webflow, you've mastered the designer, you've built sleek sites, and you'd like to work with even more clients, this is where you want to be. The very first thing you need to do is head directly to expertswebflow.com/apply. I recommend opening that link in a new tab right now. This will take you to the official Webflow Experts application page. The site might look a little different depending on when you're watching this, but at its core, the process is straightforward. Once you're on the page, you'll spot a button labeled Apply Now. Just give that a click. This is your gateway to joining a group of skilled professionals who are making a real impact in the Webflow community. Don't worry if applications feel a little daunting. This process is designed to highlight your strengths and help Webflow understand how you might help their customers. The application itself is divided into a few important sections. First up, you'll need to provide your basic information. Think things like your name, contact details, maybe even a quick personal or business bio. This might seem simple, but it's your first chance to introduce yourself, so be clear and professional. The goal here is to make it easy for the Webflow team to learn who you are at a glance. Next, you'll see something called Account Requirements. This usually involves logging into your Webflow account or sometimes connecting relevant profiles to verify you're active in the community. This helps them filter for applicants who are genuinely experienced with the platform, so if you've been building projects in Webflow, make sure your portfolio is up to date and that your account reflects your recent work. If you don't meet all the requirements just yet, don't panic. Sometimes it just means you need a little more live experience or a few client projects under your belt before you reapply. After that comes the Brand Presence section. This is where you showcase your online footprint, anything from a personal website to professional social profiles or a robust portfolio of live Webflow projects. Think of this as your digital resume. It's helpful to link to finished projects, social proof, or testimonials if you have them. A big tip here, focus on showing your best work, not just the most work. Webflow's team is more interested in quality than quantity. Next up is client experience. Here, Webflow wants to hear about real-life situations where you've worked with clients. They might ask for case studies or a few sentences about your workflow. This is your moment to share not only what you did, but how you approach solving client challenges. Maybe you redesigned a small business site to boost sales or helped a startup launch their MVP. Give those examples. If you're new to client work, it's fine to be honest. Focus on whatever relevant experience you have. Once you've carefully filled out all these sections and submitted your application, hear what happens next. If you pass the initial review, you'll get to meet with someone from the Webflow team. This is usually a short conversation where they get to know you better and perhaps ask about your goals. So take a deep breath. This part is really about getting to know each other and making sure it's a good fit on both sides. And that's basically it. The steps may seem simple, but each one is your chance to present your expertise and set yourself apart in the Webflow community. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues or have specific questions about the application process, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and good luck on your journey to becoming a Webflow expert.